everyone, welcome to another tutorial. Open terminal and check the pip version. As you can see, pip is not installed in Ubuntu. We can use the following command to install the pip. Type Y and wait for the installation process to complete. The installation is now finished. Let us check the pip version. As you can see, it has been successfully installed. All links and useful information is now available in our blogs. I hope it can help you today. If you have any issues, please let me know in the comment section. If you like our videos, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for latest updates.